That's the one from here.
Okay guys, this is Tornado at Bakken in Klampenborg, Denmark. And it's a spinning coaster. And I'm pretty sure... Oh my god, I'm not talking that much guys. And the reason for that is that this is not comfortable, I promise. That's at least the spin I got in it. Oh, this is a headbanger. Oh my god. Oh, again. Oh my god. Oh, feels like we're free spinning now. Yeah, we kind of are. Whew, yes, we are. Here it's gonna break. Oh my god. Oh, that's a coaster. Oh wow. That was Tornado at Bakken. I hope you enjoyed it. I did not. But it's a new coaster credit, so yeah, it's something positive.